Hello everyone. Today we're going to code a custom free delivery widget to your Shopify store. This can help increase the average order value for your Shopify store and increase your profits. So let's get into coding it. Before we go any further, there's a link in the description below that takes you to this page with all the instructions and codes you need to code this widget into your Shopify store. From your Shopify admin, go to online store, click on the three dots of your active theme and select edit code. Then the second step is to create a new snippet with the name free shipping bar.liquid. So we'll be copying it from here and then go to a theme code editor, select snippets, and while it is selected, click on new file and paste the name we just copied and press enter. Then the third step is to copy the entire codes from here and paste it in the new snippet we just created and save it. The fourth step is to search for base.css. We'll copy the name from here and search for it on the theme code editor. Open it and then scroll all the way down and then copy the codes from here and paste it and save. Now we need to render the free shipping bar, and this is one of the important steps, so please follow very carefully because this can make or break your free delivery widget. So we'll open a file called main cart footer.liquid and then we'll search for totals inside the file we just opened and press once and control F and these three totals appear. Now we need to add the render code just above those three totals. So we'll copy it from here and paste it just above this and save it. Now we need to open another file called carddrawer.liquid. So we'll search for it here and open the snippets one, not the sections. Please be careful about this. And then we need to search for carddrawer_footer. So we'll copy it and paste it here. And there's this. And now we'll copy the same render code and paste it just above that and save the file. Let me show you a demo of how the delivery widget looks. That's it. It says 439 away from free shipping. Let's customize it a bit and show you how it looks. So it was 999. Let's make it 499. And let me show you how it looks when it reaches the free delivery threshold. And that's it. Congratulations, you've unlocked free shipping. Now, if you want to change your currency symbol, you can simply change it from here and dollar or any currency symbol you want and change it to 1499. Now let me show you how it looks. And that's it. This is how you can change the currency symbol and the value that you need. That's it, guys. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more Shopify customization tutorials like this. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.